So here we are after 3 of my 4 days. Filters up and running. The plants are a bit the worse for wear, having had Judy standing all over them, apart from anything else. One side of the pond still to finish off. This side finished. Entry and exit area for frogs, toads and the odd hedgehog. And then here, some new companions for this fella. Still got duckweed, but we'll see how it goes.